Hi, I'm Rich at Loen.Design. Today we're going to be talking about our new LED lights. So here in the shop we had a mix of lights. We had fluorescent lights up in the ceiling, not many of them, a lot of them burnt out and not providing a lot of light. And we had daylight coming in through the windows. And that gives you a mix of colors. When you look at something like a banana, the color cast would be all wrong. So we wanted something that would help us give good lighting for video and great lighting to work in the shop. The first thing we did was look at Amazon, where you can get LED lights that replace the fluorescent light tubes. They're a little tricky because you have to go into the fluorescent fixture and remove the ballast and just apply 110 volts straight to the end of the LED lights. And we found a lot of those that were for sale there. When you looked at them off axis, you saw all kinds of strange colors. So their CRI, or color rendition index, is not that high. We went out to our friends on the internet and to see what other people were using at their shops. Among other people, April Wilkerson was using lights from a company called Big Ass Fans. And I had seen Big Ass Fans for years. I have some of their fans installed at my cottage, and they make great lighting products. So we looked at them, we got in touch with Big Ass Fans. We sent them the drawings of our space and pictures of our space, and they sent back a lighting plan. It told us how many lights we needed, what kind of lights we needed. And it happened to be around Christmas, so we got a good price break on the lights. And a month or two later, 24 industrial lights arrived, and absolutely fantastic quality lighting. The cases, very, very well built, built to mount easily on the ceiling, and very easy to wire in and assemble and get going. So we were really, really happy with them, and we've wired the whole shop here with 24 of these lights. So we have great lighting. It matches the outside light, and it makes it great for filming and fantastic for working in here. Really, really nice light. So what we'd like to do now is show you what the lights look like when they come in a box, how they unpack, how they connect together, what we did to install them, and we'll go through in some detail exactly how we attach them to the ceiling and how we wired them in. The whole process took a couple of days. It was fantastic. And so we finished the installation of all the lights, and our shop is fantastic. Really, really happy with the lighting in here now, and the lights from Big Ass Fans, fantastic stuff.
But what you're going to do, Dan, is
you're stare directly at the light bulb.
Oh, you're going to have to stare right at it.
Great.
There we go. Stop moving. Excellent. Done. Now I can make you green. Give me the damn thing back.